Hello, welcome to High Tech Vibe. I'm Shah, and in this video I want to show you how to lock a face in AI tools so it's never changed. As you can see, I upload photo and use a prompt plus lock prompt, which I will share with you and tell you where you should put it. For final generated photo, ChatGPT is exactly using my face. For this work, you can use two different prompts. One of them is longer and more professional. I share them in the description and you can use it. Okay, let's start and put the lock prompt in the ChatGPT. First, click on your name and click on the personalization. On the pop-up in the custom instruction input, you should add one of these prompts and click on the save. After this, ChatGPT will remember not to change your face. If you want to do this in the Grok as well, click on your name and select settings option. On the pop-up, click on the customize, and after that, click on the custom tab. Then put the lock prompt in the custom text area and click on the save. And as a last option in the Gemini, you should click on your avatar and choose the personal intelligence. Here you should add the prompt on the second text area and click on the add memory. By clicking add, Gemini send the prompts to chat and save the instructions. And the next time when you want to create image with the nano-banana model, it won't change your face in the images. Okay, that's finished. That is how the creators keep the characters looking identical across hundreds of the AI images. If you find this video is useful, please like the video and follow High Tech Vibe for more AI tricks, prompts, and tech hacks. Thank you for watching.